Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi balls only way. Start by rinsing short grain rice until water runs clear, then cook it with slightly less water than usual. While rice is hot, fold in a balanced mix of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Chill rice briefly, then shape gently with damp hands or a mold to form tight, even balls that hold together without being compressed. Layer fillings wisely by placing a small amount in the center before enclosing with rice, ensuring each bite has balance. Choose cured or cooked ingredients like spicy tuna mix, cooked shrimp, or seasoned mushrooms to prevent excess moisture. Press gently but firmly so the rice seals around fillings without crushing the texture. Finish with a light brush of soy or a sprinkle of sesame for extra flavor without overwhelming the ball. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes kitchen cleanups effortless and hands-free, so rice bits disappear while you relax. Its voice control feature is handy when your hands are sticky from rolling sushi balls. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For consistent shapes, use a small rice mold or your palms to form balls about 2 inches wide, pressing gently to compact rice and fillings. Chill briefly to help them hold shape before plating. Arrange sushi balls on a flat dish and add tiny dipping bowls for soy and wasabi so guests can customize each bite. Offer contrasting textures like crispy panko or toasted seaweed to elevate the experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.